If you walk into almost any home, garden center, or supermarket, there's a good chance you'll find an aloe vera plant or a product made from it. But have you ever wondered why this simple-looking succulent has remained popular for thousands of years? The story of aloe vera begins in dry, sunny regions where water is scarce. Unlike many plants, it stores large amounts of water inside its thick, fleshy leaves. Cut one open, and you'll immediately notice a clear, gel-like substance hidden inside. That gel is what made aloe vera famous. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, valued aloe vera for a variety of practical uses. Historical records suggest it was used to soothe the skin and support wound care long before modern medicine existed. Today, scientists have taken a closer look at what makes this plant so unique. The transparent gel inside the leaves contains mostly water, but it also includes vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and natural compounds called polysaccharides. One of the best-known polysaccharides is acemannan, which researchers continue to study because of its interesting biological properties. Does this mean aloe vera is a miracle plant? Not exactly. Scientific studies suggest that aloe vera gel may help soothe minor skin irritation and mild sunburn in some people. That's why it's commonly found in after-sun lotions, moisturizers, and skincare products around the world. However, researchers also point out that the quality of aloe vera products can vary significantly. Some products contain a high percentage of pure gel, while others include only small amounts mixed with many additional ingredients. Another interesting fact is that the outer part of the leaf contains a yellow substance called latex. Unlike the clear gel, aloe latex can act as a strong laxative and isn't considered safe for regular use. In fact, many health experts recommend avoiding products that contain aloe latex unless specifically advised by a medical professional. This is why not every part of the plant should be used in the same way. Beyond skincare, aloe vera has become one of the most recognizable ingredients in the cosmetic industry. You'll find it in face creams, shampoos, soaps, body lotions, and even some toothpastes. Its popularity comes from the refreshing feeling it provides and its ability to help keep the skin hydrated. But despite all the marketing claims you might see online, scientists are still studying many of aloe vera's potential benefits. While some early research looks promising, stronger evidence is needed before making broad health claims. In other words, aloe vera is a fascinating plant, but it's not magic. Perhaps the most impressive thing about aloe vera isn't what's inside a bottle, it's the plant itself. With very little water, it can survive in harsh environments where many other plants would struggle. It's a perfect example of how nature develops remarkable survival strategies. So the next time you see an aloe vera plant sitting on a windowsill, remember that you're looking at a species that has fascinated people for thousands of years and continues to inspire scientists today. If you enjoyed discovering the science behind everyday plants, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating stories from nature.